guys, they left me a key. Hello, Rochester Heating and Air. Rochester Heating and Air. Hello. Sorry guys, I wanted to get y'all some footage, but guys, I'm kind of funny about things. I know maybe some of y'all aren't or whatever, but guys, I'm a licensed Kentucky HVAC master contractor, like I said, and I know y'all probably think that's funny. Some of y'all do, but guys, I take that as a responsibility. And whenever I do a job in Louisville, Kentucky, I contact code enforcement, and I make sure there is a permit pulled on this, and then I make sure I actually meet with the inspector to make sure it passes inspection. Okay? Now I walked into this house, and the first thing I do now is I actually walk in and I look and see if the stuff's been inspected. Now the unit in there, the furnace, looked like it's somewhat new, maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 years old or whatever. But anyway, point being, I didn't see a sticker on it, okay? Now in the state of Kentucky and Louisville, if I put my hands on something, basically I inherit it. It becomes mine. Well, I didn't see a sticker on it. It looked like it was single wall pipe running clean out the roof here. I'm not positive, I didn't get up in the attic, but all the way through, it looked like going through the drywall was single wall pipe. All right, guys. The thing is, if I put my hands on it, like I said, I inherit this. So what I'm going to do is call the customer and advise them to actually get the company out who installed that and get that thing permitted and fix their unit. Okay, guys.